Phonics. Letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for uncle. Uncle. U is for umpire. Umpire. U is for underwater. Underwater. U is for upset. Upset. U is for underground. Underground. U is for ugly. Ugly. U is for unhappy. Unhappy. Now you know it. Let's repeat it and do it again. Get ready. Here we go. U. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. U is for umpire. U is for underwater. U is for upset. U is for underground. U is for ugly. U is for unhappy.
Thanks a billion for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.